Hi everyone, this is Akash, and today we'll see how to install Paperless-ngx on your Ugreen NAS. We'll, as usual, not be using command line at all. We'll simply be copying, pasting, and clicking, and be done in under 5 minutes. Paperless-ngx, as you might be aware, is an excellent open source document management system, which means that you can upload any document to it. It will parse the content from the document, um, OCR it as well if this doesn't have a text layer. And then you can create multiple rules as to what should happen to a document based on the kind of content it has and create your workflow. This is very, very versatile. Uh, we'll use the official paperless Docker file, compose file, uh, just with a few changes. If you look at the official file, what they've done is they have used something called as a named volume. Named volume means the data for example, Redis data is going to be stored in a named volume called Redis data. This volume will not be easily accessible to you. What I have done on my file is everything goes under a directory called data directory. This data directory is created on in a place which you can very easily access under your Docker file or Docker directory. And inside this data, all the other directories are created. So it's very easy for you to later on export or move the project to any other machine or anything. Okay, so copy this and go to your Docker app, click on project, create a project. Now the name that I give, it creates a directory with the same name under Docker directory. Uh, Inside this directory, there will be another directory that's automatically be created called data. That's where all your data will be stored. All right, just click on deploy and that's it. Mine was created very quickly because all the images had already been pulled, and yours it will first show you that it's pulling the images, will take a while and then it will be done. It's running. I would also like to show you where your data is. If you go to your file manager, go to shared folder Docker, you will see that there's a directory with the name of paperless, and inside that there's a directory called data. Inside data you've got multiple directories. Consume is a special directory. This is a directory which is a watch directory. So any document you can put here automatically will be ingested by paperless. So if you have a scanner, then you can point the scanner to the consume directory, keep on saving all your documents in the consume, and they will be automatically passed. So the port that we used to access this is 8060. I changed that from 8000. So 8060 is the port that you're going to use. So we go to 10.30.30.2080 8060. First time it asks you to create a username and a password. This is it. That's your dashboard. You can upload the document here, create your tags. The storage path is where you can create a rule as to what should happen. If a certain document has a certain string or anything. It's very versatile. I'll not look at the workflow creation and configuration, but you can refer to their documentation. This is it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask them in the comment box, and I'll get back to you like I always do. Thank you.